Hi, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll lead you through the ABRSM Theory Grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets and you can download those in US letter or A4 and they accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also access information about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of hints and tips on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're working through your exam paper. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super. Please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more in store. And so now we're going to complete the final questions of the Grade 4 2015 Paper A. So if you turn with me to page 6, and we can make a start on question 6. So this is just a little exercise in reading different clefs. So I suggest you have a little go of this and then re-access and we'll check through them together, or at least just listen to the first part of each time I explain how to answer a question. Try it on your own and then come back to me. So I'm hoping you've had a go at these. So now we'll answer this question. So you can either find a point that you're familiar with. So in bass clef we know that this is middle C, and then count up from there. Alternatively, you can count an octave down from the given note. We'll try both of those ways to show you. So we've got C, D, E, F, G sharp. That's the answer. Alternatively, we begin here counting this as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 takes us to here. So we know that we're on G, an octave higher. So it's G sharp, and I'm going to write that word in full, not use the symbol as they've done. Just follow their example here. So here we can either count up and think this is C, middle C here in the alto clef, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Alternatively, we can count down an octave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 takes us to the B below middle C, and then of course there's the sharp sign, so we know that that's B sharp. So let's count this up an octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 takes us to one step above middle C, so we know that this is a D an octave lower, and there's a flat sign, so we know that that's a D flat. Let's just look at this next one. So here we know that this is middle C in the treble clef, C, B, A flat. Alternatively, let's count the octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that it's an A, an octave lower, and then of course we've got the flat sign. So we know that that's a flat. Let's count the octave down from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just try that again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Also, we could count that. We know that our top note is F. So we could think, we know it goes every good boy deserves football. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F double sharp. So there we go. Let's move on to the next question. So if you turn the page, and we're now on question 7, and so now we've just got a little bit of work to do with some triads. So we're asked to name each of these chords numbered, and we're told that the key is D minor. So let's just get our chords together first of all. We know that looking for chords 1, 4 and 5. So in D minor, chord 1 is based on a D, that's our tonic. So the fourth step of the scale, D, E, F, G, is the fourth, and then A is the fifth. So we need to now work out our triads. D, first, third, fifth, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. There's our first, third and fifth, so we've got the triads. And then don't forget, in D minor, the 7th degree of the scale is raised, so that will be a C sharp. We raise the 7th, and it always falls in the middle of chord 5. So let's see what we've got here. Chord 1, we've got a G, a D, a B and a D. And so we can see that that's chord 4, so just the Roman numeral will suffice. Alternatively, you could write subdominant. So here, there's a clue. We can pretty much tell it's going to be a chord 5 because that's C sharp, but let's double check. We've got an A, C sharp, E, and then of course that A still continues. So there's our chord 5 confirmed. And then the last one, D, D, F, A, we can see we've got a chord 1. So you could put tonic, you could put dominant there, but the Roman numerals will suffice, that's acceptable. So now we've got to just sort of extend that thinking a little bit further, but the principle remains here. We need to write the triads that we've been given, shown by the key signatures. Now, of course, this could be a major or a minor key signature, but they've specified whether it's the major or the minor key signature. So if this is a major key signature, we know that we're in E flat major, so chord 1 will be E flat as our tonic. We don't really need to worry about that because the key signature takes care of those flats. So we need to write the dominant. So we need to find chord 5. So counting up from E, E, F, G, A, B. So chord 5 is going to be on a B flat. The 1st, the 3rd and the 5th, B, D, F. Your key signature will take care of everything else. So really we just need to write the triad starting on the dominant, which is B flat. There's our 1st, 3rd, 5th. So that's that completed. So now let's look at this one. So we're in a key signature of 3 sharps, which could be A major, but they've asked us to write it in the minor key. And if you've done your thinking already, you know that A major and F sharp minor are related keys. If you're not sure how to get that written down quickly before you start your paper, have a look at the Circle of Fifths video that I've done that explains how to get your keys down in order, getting your key signatures organised, major and minor keys. You'll find the link to that in the description below. So we know that this is F sharp minor. So our tonic is built on F sharp, and so the subdominant, the 4th, F, G, A, B, is built on 4. So we need to find our triad now, 1st, 3rd, 5th, B, D, F. Your key signature takes care of everything else. In a minor key, the only thing you have to remember is to raise the 5th. Raise the 7th, which comes in chord 5. As we saw before, it comes in the middle of chord 5. However, we're doing chord 4 here, so we don't need to worry about any accidentals. So we just need to find note B and build our triad above that. So there's chord 4 in F sharp minor. Let's carry on. So now we've got a key signature of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats. So it could be D flat major, however they've told us that we want the minor key, so that would be B flat minor. So B flat minor is our tonic, chord 1, and that's what we're after, so build the triad from that. B flat, D, F. So we just need to find that position for a B. So there's middle C. So one step below that is B. So that's our 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And if you notice, 1, 3, 5 is always space, 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 or line, line, line. So once you've found your tonic, you can just sort of get the blobs in place. So that marks the end of that question. It also marks the end of that paper. I do hope that you've found this helpful. I hope that you're enjoying it. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be super. Please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more in store. Please also do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available to help you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.